God damn, this is a beautiful car. I already took that one off, but let's in the sun a little bit, pull in the shop, get the steamer out, and start removing all the tint on this bad boy. So he's getting full windshield with a 5% strip on and 20% all around. It's just gonna look good when I'm done. I'm gonna give it a little foam bath for him, so when he picks up shit looks clean. But Beamer's in the shop. Took all the old tint off, bro. I'm still in the process of taking the back off, but I took a break from that, pre-cutting everything, so we can put at least something on the Beamer today. But she's gonna look fucking 100 times better. Not with no Walmart tint. Fuck no. So I'm pre-cutting everything, getting everything lined up. I'm gonna get this shit looking great.